Hello folks, welcome to the Harrison Cooking Show. I'm Brian Harrison, and we just wanted to bring you some either simple recipes or just have some fun. This is about fun, and that's what we want to do, is just have fun cooking a little bit. Whether they're simple, whether they're a little more complicated, I just hope you guys will enjoy this. Maybe, just again, have some fun making something. And so, I hope you enjoy the show. But before we get started, please don't forget to comment, subscribe, leave a like on the video if you're on, and hit the bell notification if you're on YouTube side. If you're on Rumble, please don't forget to follow us there as well. Hit the like and comment section. It's much appreciated, and it helps this channel and helps us grow. But I really do thank you so much, and hopefully enjoy the fun we will have. And anyway, that's all I have to say for this intro. But I hope you guys enjoy your day, and let's get started right into the cooking part of the show, and we'll see you there. Hello folks, today my easy idea was to just cook up this baked potato, and it's a russet, and so I just wanted to show some, in my own way, some simple ideas of a meal that you can have that's easy. And for our first video for this little cooking show thing, it's it's, like I said, it's meant for more for fun and just enjoyment. But there you go. This is what we're doing. And so what you do before we get started, we just pull off and peel off this sticker thingy. Okay, here we go. Oh, come on. Sometimes I guess it doesn't want to. Okay, here. You can keep a few of these just in case. I do. That's a tip, just in case you forget, just in case you accidentally, one doesn't come off like it should. Here you go. Hold on. Here you go. Oh, there's the instructions on there. Oh, here's the instructions, and it says, okay, and it says, one potato, 8 minutes, and if you do 2 potatoes, it's 6 minutes per potato. So, but we're doing one, so we're going to do the 8-minute suggestion there. And if you have to, you can always cook it a little longer after the 8 minutes if you feel like your microwave isn't doing it, or maybe it's set differently. But it's 8 minutes is usually on high, so they're microwave on high. So there you go. If it's on high, you can go past it a little bit until and figure it out a little bit with your microwave. But our microwave will do it on 8, and so that's what we'll do. We'll pop it in the microwave, and we'll get it set up. So here we go. So now we put the timer for 8 minutes. Oh yeah. And here we go. And we'll be back when it's close to being done. Alright folks, and we're done. Now it's time to get our baked potato out and get it over so we can put some toppings. It looks done. There you go. It's actually a pretty good size for this bowl. Anyway, that's right. We're ready to add our toppings to it. So we'll go over and add our toppings and get the plastic off. Alright folks, we're going to take the plastic off. They tell you not to remove the plastic, so you leave it on while you're cooking it, and then you just, there you go. So you open it up. Here we go. We pull it into the bowl. There you are. And now we cut it open. Alright. There we go. Easy meal. For those who don't know, I always like baked potato, and yeah, good stuff. So there you go. And we open up our butter. That's what I first do, is open up the butter to put it on, because it can soften a little bit. It can help melt it, so it makes it softer on
the inside of the potato, and you could put as much as you want, or as little as you want. I to put a little. I put a little bit because it will go through the potato and make it melty and melt through and make the stuff soft if it's not as soft because you cooked it. Anyway, there we go, and that will be it for that. Okay, here's our fork. We'll put our knife to the side there. Then we add the cheese. And you can add as much as you want. Some people add very little cheese. Oh, here comes my dog. He wants some cheese. But there you go. Yep. He gets a little bit sometimes. Alright. Add, because this is all this is. If you want to add, we can make another baked potato sometime and add some other stuff, which we may do. Okay. So that's it for there. Then we add the sour cream. Alright. Like I said, this was just something fun for me to do, just something easy. I mean, I may do something else. I do have a few ideas, but I just thought of this the other day just to show a baked potato. And there you go. Actually, a little tiny bit more. There you go. There it is. There's your baked potato. Now, alright, gotta put this stuff away, but now we get to, here. Dog can have that. You can have that. The little bit of cheese there, bud. Alright. Anyway, now we can get to the trying part of this cooking show, and let's get over there right now. Alright, folks, we're ready here to try the baked potato, and let's get into it. We already showed it. We already put our toppings on it, and let us get in and try the goodness. And I let the butter, you let the butter melt through it a little bit. It's easier to eat it, and that's what we found sometimes. Anyway, here you go. Yeah, I love that baked potato. I always love it. It's easy. I did it because if you don't know, then now you know. You can go. It's in our store. Obviously, it's where the potatoes are. You go over there and you'll see they're wrapped up, and they just have basic, instructions. You pull the tab off. Maybe keep one of the tabs just in case, because sometimes the tabs don't pull off smoothly. And so you'll remember every time if you don't cook baked potato that often. But yeah, it's like 8 minutes in the microwave. 12 minutes altogether if you have to. If you have to, you can up it a little bit. But another trick too is so you don't overcook it, is put butter on it, and so let the butter soak a little bit, and it will soften the potato, and you have a good potato. And then you have cheese and sour cream. That's just a basic one. I may do another one with a few other stuff, but right now that's what I wanted to start with. I've been thinking about it for a while, so I want to thank you. We'll give another bite in, and I think we'll call it good. But yeah, it's good that the butter makes it soft. So have fun cooking. Enjoy your even little simple stuff or big stuff, whatever you want. I want to say thank you for watching this video, and we'll leave with closing thoughts. I'll see you guys next time.
Well, welcome back, folks. This is, I'm here to leave with some closing thoughts. I want to thank you again for watching our cooking the recipes. It's so much fun to do these, and especially simple ones. That's all it was about, was just to have some fun. We don't know what the future holds, but I really thank you for watching this video, and it means a lot to me. But again, don't forget to just kind of follow us on Rumble, or subscribe to us on YouTube. It'd be much appreciated. This is this is a great show to put together. I do enjoy this. I enjoy doing any of the videos I do, but thank you so much for watching this. I want to say, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. God bless you. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one. And bye for now.